Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some cleaning motivation to hopefully get you up and moving and feeling productive to tackle that to-do list today. I'm also going to be sharing a few exciting home updates, and I'd like to thank Lowe's for partnering with me on today's video and helping make my vision come to life. Before we get to those updates, I really wanted to have a fresh, clean space to work in, so I'm going to clean up in the kitchen, quickly clean up in the living room. I don't know about you, but if I try to add any home decor, or even during the holidays, if I try to decorate with a messy or cluttered space, it always made me feel a little bit anxious and slightly overwhelmed just because there was too much going on at one time. So anytime I'm adding new pieces to my home, whether it's setting out seasonal decor or just adding everyday decor, I always try to completely start fresh and clutter-free in order to avoid that overwhelming feeling of having too many visual things going on at one time. I actually find when I do it this way, decorating in any way is more fun and actually can be kind of calming and exciting. For the longest time, I always thought my interior design style was more of a modern farmhouse type of style, but the more I thought about it, I feel like I was just trying to go with trends instead of actually knowing what my personal design style was. And as I started to learn more about interior design, the traditional European style really stuck out to me. Anytime I see a home that's traditional European styled, I always think it looks so beautiful and so elegant, so that is the direction I'm going with my home, little by little, step by step, item by item, so it doesn't break the bank. Right now my home is a mashup of a little bit modern farmhouse, a little bit contemporary, and some traditional European pieces, but I want to thank Lowe's for partnering with me on today's video to help me move towards my vision. I got everything here on Lowe's, and of course I'm going to go through and show you everything. I got some beautiful pendant lights, I got a ceiling medallion and a chandelier, a beautiful brass tray for my buffet that I got on the marketplace that's very traditional European styled not too long ago. We're just going to add some pieces to my home to move towards my vision. As you'll see in just a minute, Lowe's has top-notch budget-friendly products for home improvement and home decor. I'm excited, let's do this. The first thing I'm opening is this gold serving tray. It is beautiful. The brand is Kate and Laurel. I have been looking for a serving tray like this for a very long time. Lowe's had the perfect one. I've had this vision for a while to have a gold or brass serving tray on top of my European styled buffet with an ornate vase and some white flowers. Lowe's Home Improvement helped me bring this look to life. This is the Luxe & Home brown ceramic ornate vase. It is every everything I was hoping it would be. And then I got some white hydrangeas to finish this look. After putting it all together, I could not be happier with how this little setup here turned out. Ordering on Lowe's was so easy and convenient. I got same-day delivery for some eligible in-stock items because I ordered by 2 p.m. I also had to jump back on Lowe's once I was done with this whole update because one of the chandeliers I ordered that you will see in just a bit here, I didn't have the right size light bulbs for, but because of Lowe's same-day delivery on eligible items, I was able to get those bulbs right away the same day. Another thing I've been looking for to put on top of this European buffet is a lamp. This is the True Fine 16.5-inch brass LED touch table lamp with a fabric shade. It is again exactly what I was looking for this buffet, and I love that it came with a light bulb as well. This is the final look of the buffet. I wanted to keep it very simple and beautiful. I do think I need to find a more ornate frame for the photo above the buffet, but one thing at a time. Another thing I've been trying to do around my home is replace my planters for all of my plants. It has been very difficult to maintain my plants with 4 cats in the home. My kittens love to destroy my plants. I'm trying my best to keep them alive. I also had to propagate my ginormous monstera because my cats absolutely destroyed it. Thankfully, it went really well, so we're actually going to repot one of those stems in just a bit here in a different planter, but I've been trying to replace all of my plastic planters with more ceramic, more styled planters just to elevate the space a bit more. One of my favorite pops of color is blue, so I was drawn right away to this blue glazed ceramic planter. I believe this is the 7-inch one. I also got this beautiful white ceramic planter. It is the brand Allen and Roth. I thought it was a really great price. You'll find competitive prices every day on Lowe's, both online and in store. Plus, you can save time and money with free shipping on orders of $45 or more. It has been months since I propagated my monstera plant. I wasn't even sure if it was going to work. This was my first time doing this. I was really nervous because I have had this plant for years and I really wanted it to survive. So when I saw it started to grow roots, I was so excited, and then a new leaf started to come out. I am ecstatic to be able to keep this monstera plant. So I'm finally giving it a new little home here in this white ceramic planter. I hope it loves it. That monstera plant actually was 2 separate plants, so I do have another cutting of it, and it also has roots, but it is a lot larger, and I'm going to need a lot larger planter for it. Time for something I am so unbelievably excited for. I have been looking at ceiling medallions for so long. Lowe's had the perfect one. It is exactly what I was looking for. And here is me pretending to adhere it to my ceiling because I most definitely needed my husband's help. I had no idea what I was doing. And I also do not know how to install light fixtures, so he is going to do the installation process for me, and he doesn't love being on camera. I'm sure I could figure it out, but he can definitely do it a lot quicker than I can. This chandelier is so beautiful. In fact, when I opened it, Hazel swooned over it. She asked me if it was for her room makeover, and I felt so bad telling her no, it's for the living room. So I'm definitely going to have to get her a similar one, or maybe even the same one. This is the chandelier I mentioned I needed different light bulbs for, and I'm so happy I was able to get same-day delivery on Lowe's, so I didn't have to wait to see this completed look. The last 2 things I got are these 2 gorgeous pendant lights for over my kitchen island. I'm changing out the 2 current pendant lights that are there because they're definitely giving more modern, more farmhouse vibes, and that's not really what I'm going for. I definitely still have a long way to go to make my vision a reality. I need to change the handles in my kitchen, get a new faucet, a new rug for my living room, put some curtains up, but thankfully Lowe's is helping me get there one step at a time with competitive prices. You can shop all your home needs using Lowe's new finds with the link in my description. Thank you again, Lowe's, for sponsoring today's video. Moving into the homeschool room for a quick cleanup. We've been keeping this area pretty tidy. Then I will be moving into the bathroom on my main floor, which desperately needed a deep clean. The last thing I'm doing is heading into my primary bedroom. It's pretty messy in here, but we're going to pull it back together. Thank you so much for being here and spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.